Drop it. Drop it. This is my phone.
Step back.
See, please.
Just step back.
Check it. Don't do anything stupid. Please. Please now. Okay.
Go back. I'm not carry dead body. I never saw.
Okay, it's okay. Jude.
Okay.
I don't understand what is happening.
You get it now, I want to tell you. Forget Sabio, get man. Let's see where you and madam they do so. I see my papa and my mama they do when I be small. And now wisdom when my papa takes water. Just want to don't place you. Just say you cheat on madam.
I know they cheat on madam. I was just making call, and that was my little sister I was calling.
Thank you, Jesus. Okay, relax. It's good tonight. Okay, you also go rest. Since you know, say you dey very sure, say you need to tell madam. Madam don't hold your phone, so thank God say don't give her the phone. By the time she don't check the phone, she knows anything. Her body go rest.
You sure say this thing will work?
I swear to God.
You sure it's going to work?
Okay, let's say they cheat.
No. I love my wife. You know I love my wife.
Okay, I know say
you know.
I know.
You know.
Okay, so you say you did your wife. Leave everything. Don't go rest. She don't collect the phone. By the time she don't check the phone, she don't say anything. Her body will calm down.
Where do you think you're going?